Well, let me tell you, Mr. Modi,
you can
in this particular election, to answer your question.
So this election is about Mr. Modi.
The reason why Mr. Modi is jumped into both Haryana and Maharashtra is because he's fully aware on statistics and facts that both Maharashtra and Haryana are far ahead of states like Gujarat, based on which he became a Prime Minister of India, by the way, on all parameters, whether it's foreign direct investment, economic growth, agriculture productivity, human development indicators. You look at
the irrigation
any indicator.
Scam.
No, well, let me tell you. I mean, that Rahul Nirmal can answer that. But more
housing
importantly, more important, that's not been proven yet. But I thought it was a collective. Just 1 minute. The truth is that the Bharatiya Janata Party knows that this is not the state where Mr. Modi's rhetoric and his grand speeches is going to charm and mesmerize the audience. Hence, actually, you're not only finding nobody from the state, but only Mr. Modi. Even from the center, Sushma Swaraj has come once and gone back. There is a complete intellectual bankruptcy in the Bharatiya Janata Party.
We have
वो कुछ कहना चाहता है।
हुजूर एक छोटी सी बात। नरेंद्र मोदी जी महान नेता है, सफल प्रधानमंत्री हो, ये हमारी तमन्ना है, हमारी तमन्ना है। आपके लिए जनादेश भी इसलिए मांगा है, लेकिन जब बातें हम करते हैं
अभी तो 100 दिन में आगे आगे देखिए होता है, इतिहास को नहीं आगे देखिए होता है।
दो सवाल नहीं भूलना चाहिए। नेहरू जी जब गए थे पहली बार 1949 में 1949 अमेरिका में, तो ट्रूमैन जो उस समय के राष्ट्रपति थे उनको रिसीव करने आए थे। और कनाडा में जब दूसरी बार अमेरिका में जब कैनेडी गए तो इतनी तस्वीरें थी, घर घर में तस्वीरें लगी थी। सच कह रहा हूं कि नहीं? तो ये कहना कि दिस इज द बिगेस्ट इवेंट, ये सब कहते समय थोड़ा सा इतिहास बोध रहता है तो बेहतर रहता है। दैट इज द ओनली थिंग एज एन एडिटर ऑफ द दोपहर का सामना, दिस इज नॉट अ पॉलिटिकल कमेंट।
Let's come back to 2014. Devendra Fadnavis.
We have held 756 rallies. I have held more than 60 rallies. Every leader of BJP has held rallies. So if he feels that only 27 rallies are being held, that's not true.
No, his point is the
Prime Minister's connectivity has been the best.
That's right.
Most of the people have turned out for Prime Minister's rally, and people want to hear him, people want to support him. He has credibility, and through his credibility, if people wants to establish BJP government in Maharashtra, I think that's fair.
Devendra ji, my point was 27 rallies after spending a week being a rock star in New York. That's a concern Indian
what's your
citizens
problem?
have.
If there is a no one Sanjay, if there is a prime minister
who's absent,
just a minute. No, if there is a prime minister,
does he have time to govern India? That's a fundamental question.
One second. See,
when are you governing India?
If there is a prime minister,
right? That's a point.
Sanjay,
please go ahead and do your bit.
Sanjay,
you can go to Madison Square Garden and say, "May the force be with you." Why not?
He said that in Central Park, not in Madison.
All right, wherever. But the truth, the bottom line is, he's away for 7 days.
No,
fair
what's
enough.
your problem?
Fair enough.
I'll tell you what your problem is.
Does the Prime Minister know that there are challenges before the country? It's not just a Pakistan border issue.
I'll tell you, see, today, I don't want to say it, but I'm going to say something, Sanjay.
No, go ahead.
That I find that in your response, and in the response of Rahul Narvekar, especially in your response, I see this implicit nervousness. Your nervousness I can understand. His I'm not understanding yet. Your nervousness, I'll tell you why it is there. Your nervousness is because Rahul Gandhi has disappeared.
Not at all. In fact, a lot of people in the media thought he was going to do two rallies. He's done many more.
Where is Rahul
Gandhi? What do you mean?
Where is he?
Mr. Gandhi has campaigned in Maharashtra.
He came on one rally. He came for one rally.
And unlike the BJP, we have Mr. Prithvi Raj Chavan, a very capable leader, one of the best that you have. And at this point of time, the only visible face inspiring trust for the people of Maharashtra. And even in Haryana, Mr. Hooda has done an excellent job. Ask them who's their candidate even in Haryana, they have none. I think the BJP...
No, 1 second. I want to know from you...
centralized, autocratic, dictatorial party.
I asked one question. Ladies and gentlemen, I put this question to you. My question tonight is this. And remember, Sanjay, right now, everyone watching the News Hour is watching you. And ladies and gentlemen, I ask a question to Sanjay Jha, and you can judge for yourself whether the otherwise very eloquent Mr. Jha is trying to dodge this question. My question to him is, with 4 or 5 rallies that he has done,
6 rallies in Mumbai.
Congratulations.
Oh, fair enough. He doesn't need to do more.
Congratulations.
That 6 will be equivalent to greater than what Mr. Modi has done, and the impact will be measured on the 19th.
My question is, has the Congress party abandoned its state leadership to fight for themselves? I mean, unless you've abandoned your party, why would you
criticized
do
us
that?
because you thought we were very centrally controlled in Delhi?
No.
When we empower, when we delegate and we give Mr. Prithviraj Chavan a free hand, then you say, where is Mr. Rahul Gandhi? I mean, this is being extremely convenient. The truth is that today Mr. Modi's trips to Mumbai and Haryana are a manifestation of the declining quality of leadership, not just in the state of Maharashtra, but even in central Delhi. I think even in Delhi, I have heard rumors that most of the leaders, don't speak
It is your
up.
nervousness that is speaking,
No, it's
because
not.
you don't have a leader who can match Mr. Modi. Nobody is
But Mr.
coming
Modi
to
is
hear your
competing
leader.
with Mr. Chavan in Maharashtra.
We can just see the empty chairs in Mr. Chavan's rallies.
Mr. Fadnavis, you should be more concerned about there being no leadership on Bharatiya Janata Party
There
side
is
in
enough
Maharashtra.
leadership. Don't worry.
That's what
don't
Mr.
worry.
Modi has said.
Rahul, don't worry.
But that's what
At the
Mr. Modi has
appropriate time,
said.
you will find a proper leader in Maharashtra. Don't worry.
But Mr.
We have
I have not
galaxy
said
of
that
leaders.
Mr. Modi has
We have
said that.
galaxy of leaders, and a proper leader will be chosen. at the right time.
2019, perhaps.
Mr. Fadnavis, I have not said that. Mr. Modi has said that.
No, but in Borivali, addressing a rally, Narendra Modi says this to the people. I am yours.
True.
Mumbai has a complete right over me. Don't you want to take advantage of your right? Give me a chance to serve you. Your new slogan is Chalo Chale Modi ke saath. भाई कहाँ चले?
आगे चले भाई, विकास की ओर चले, मोदी जी के साथ विकास की ओर चले,
हर बार आप कहते
मोदी जी के साथ विकास की ओर चले, मोदी जी जो विकास की यात्रा कर रहे हैं, उस विकास की यात्रा में महाराष्ट्र को साथ में लेकर चले।
चले बीजेपी के साथ।
आप कह रहे चलो चले मोदी के साथ।
बिल्कुल,
चलो का मतलब क्या है?
बीजेपी के साथ नहीं।
Modi is Prime Minister, Modi is heading the government, and in our federal structure, state government and central government has to work hand in hand, and when Modi is taking
But that's
this nation forward.
anti-federalism. 1 minute. If you want BJP government, that's anti-federalism.
Please, it's not
So
anti-federalism.
you mean to say that if it's a non-BJP government, if it's a non-BJP government here on the 19th, you will not support it?
No, what?
Mr. Modi has categorically said that we have to have a team India. So,
Good. So
Chief Minister and Prime Minister, Chief
Congress
Minister and Prime
government here is a team India.
Minister will work together. But we are saying that allow us to have to come in power in Maharashtra, and we will work hand in hand with Mr. Modi. Unlike
You
Prithviraj
work hand in hand if it's BJP.
Chavan,
Not
who did
Congress.
not come to Modi's rallies, Modi's programs.
You know why? Because you orchestrated a bunch of
Who
ruffians
orchestrated?
to humiliate the chief minister.
आप इतना करप्शन करोगे और लोग चिल्लाएंगे और आप कहोगे ऑर्केस्ट्रेटेड है. It was not orchestrated.
What corruption? Come on.
What corruption? In Maharashtra, if Congress and NCP ask,
it's
what
very easy
corruption?
to say
What
Gotala,
corruption?
but
दो सवाल है मेरे. I have two questions.
Prove one.
I have two questions.
That's a lot of
1 minute, gentlemen. I have two questions, right? Now, my two questions. First question
With
is...
regards to corruption,
No,
I just
1
want to
minute.
remind
No, I
Mr.
want...
Fadnavis,
you
Mr.
know, by the way...
Fadnavis' party and the Shiv Sena
what-
went on record to say there have been scams of to the value of 11 lakh crore rupees in the state of Maharashtra. Mr. Fadnavis knows it better than me. He's been a legislator for a longer period than I have been. And he definitely knows what has been the annual budget put together from 1999 to 2004.
we have published-
it has been
we have
3,76,000 crore rupees.
You don't
when the
know.
annual budget is
You don't know it, Rahul.
3,76,000
Rahul,
crore
you don't
rupees,
know it.
how can there be
You don't
scams
know it.
for
There are
11 lakh crore
scams
rupees?
of
Major-
In
there are
Marathi,
land scams.
since we
There
are
are land
since
scams
we are on
which are not
Maharashtra
included in
election,
budget. There are land scams
since we are
which
on
are not included in budget.
Maharashtra election,
Other scam is
in
not
Marathi
included in
there's a
budget.
proverb.
Others is
There's
not
a-
part of.
there's a saying,
Other scam is
"Khota
not
bola
part
pan
of.
retun bola."
Other
And
scam
that's
is
what
not part
Bharatiya
of
Janata
budget.
Party has been doing. Khota bola pan retun
11,88,000 crore. 11,88,000 crore.
Oh, you see-
11,88,000 crore.
you see, you black-
11,88,000 crore scams.
You blackmailed the Prithviraj Chavan government. Admit it. You have Prithviraj Chavan now saying, and now you know what, Rahul Narvekar, just let me speak, please. You know, I don't want to compete with you on the volume of your voice because
I doubt if you can.
I don't think I can. I concede defeat on that score. I can.
Once Arnab has conceded something.
I can.
That needs to be applauded.
Well, I don't know whether you want to take it as a compliment, but the fact is, the fact that I'm glad.
Historic day.
I admit tonight on the news hour that I can't compete with the volume of his voice. I can compete with the quality of the argument. Argument to Rahul Narvekar is this. Yes, I think
the judgment of that should be left to your viewers.
And I think you should admit today that when the Chief Minister of a state is basically saying that you blackmailed him to ensure that corrupt practices are not acted against. I mean, that is in my view the limit of exposure. Prithviraj Chavan has been saying, I was sent, and I'm quoting him for your information, I was sent to Maharashtra to clean up the system. I tried to do all this, but everybody in the other side was against me. A coalition government did not let me do my job completely. If we get a majority now, my first priority will be to clean things up. So, Mr.
Are you done with your question?
No, Mr. Narvekar, the fact is that Prithviraj Chavan has said he was blackmailed by you. A party which is accused of blackmailing its own, a party that is accused of blackmailing its own coalition partner on the issue of corrupt practices, in my opinion, has absolutely no locus standi to preach to anybody else, Mr. Narvekar.
You want me to
Hence,
answer?
you should be a little more.
You're the judge, jury, and you already delivered the answer.
I made a point to you.
So you want me to answer, or you've decided your the judgment on your question?
Why are you so much on the defensive? That's what Prithviraj Chavan has said. That's why Prithviraj Chavan has said.
Okay, so whatever Mr. Prithviraj Chavan says is the gospel truth according to you?
No, you mean to say whatever...
So give me an opportunity to answer and you'll get the answer.
No, you mean to say whatever Sharad Pawar says...
Will you have the patience or the guts to take my reply?
It's not a question of guts.
Because it appears that you don't have either. So now listen to me for a minute. Listen to me for a minute.
You're looking disturbed.
You are looking embarrassed. You are looking embarrassed of the fact that you've been exposed. You are looking embarrassed that you've been exposed, that you don't allow people to answer when you know they're going to give you the right answer. Now let's come to the point. Now let's come to the point.
And then you hear from the other side as well.
Let's come to the point.
I quoted Prithviraj Chavan. I quoted Prithviraj Chavan.
Fine, you quoted Prithviraj Chavan, but you're behaving like the spokesperson for Prithviraj Chavan.
I quoted him.
Okay. Mr. Arnab Goswami, the Honorable former Deputy Chief Minister of this state, Shri Ajit Pawarji, has come on record to state that the NCP or he himself or any of the ministers have not forwarded a single irregular file to the Chief Minister.
Prithviraj Chavan said, and I quote,
he has come on record to say that if it is found that he has come on record to say that I will quit politics if Mr. Prithviraj Chavan can prove that any such matter was sent to him. One.
A party that has supported corrupt practices.
Why aren't you allowing me to complete?
Because
number two, when Mr. Sanjay Jha just said that Rahul Gandhi came to Maharashtra to address 6 rallies.
Changing the subject. Classic attempt. By the way.
His assumption, I don't know the reasoning.
By the way, ladies and gentlemen, what you're seeing right now, what you're seeing right now, what you're seeing right now,
take them through in this campaign,
what you're seeing,
it's going to be debacle all the way. And that's one of the major reasons why we had to reconsider our alliance with the Congress party.
What you've just seen. Sanjay Jha will respond. But what you have just seen Rahul Narvekar do is not answer the first question, and then classic television obfuscation, avoid the question by talking about Rahul Gandhi. Let the Congress answer on Rahul Gandhi. Prithviraj Chavan said, if the Madhav Chitale committee had given him, your leader Ajit Pawar, a clean chit as he claims, why has the court ordered inquiry against him? And
what are you talking about? The CM is also not appraised about the legal factual situation.
This is his quote.
This is his quote. But that's what, unfortunately, the legal acumen of our Chief Minister does not seem to be updated.
I think
he does not know the facts. And if you allow me a couple of minutes, I'll give you the facts.
Arnab, the truth is that Mr. Chavan has made a tremendous quality of difference to the administration in Maharashtra. Not just anti-corruption, not just against the builder lobby that was trying to, to grab real estate. I think the truth is Maharashtra has had governance.
But where is Rahul Gandhi?
Let me tell you, Mr. Prithviraj Chavan,
where is Sonia Gandhi,
Sonia Gandhi, our Congress president, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, all of them have put up a very effective campaign. Let the results show the elections are in 2 days.
No, why does Rahul Gandhi not campaign nowadays?
Mr. Fadnavis's notice,
why does Rahul Gandhi not campaign nowadays?
No, don't forget the big one is the BMC. And the BMC is a remarkable example of inefficiency. Mr. Modi comes to Mumbai, doesn't tell you that the sloppiness of Mumbai as a city today in terms of bad roads, water not being good enough is
Respond.
an account of this alliance of the BJP and the Shiv Sena. I hope voters will remember that on the day after tomorrow, because it's talking about poor administration.
He's talking about
One minute now, you
the
please.
Anti-Corruption Bureau of Maharashtra.
You let me
Anti-Corruption Bureau of Maharashtra did a discreet inquiry in irrigation scam and has found all evidences against Mr. Ajit Pawar in discreet inquiry, and they asked for an open inquiry. The file was pending.
No, let him complete.
The
Let him
file
complete.
was pending with the
Let
Chief
him
Minister
complete.
for 1 month. Chief Minister did not sign it.
Why?
Now,
Why?
Why?
Can I ask you a
Why?
question?
Why? No, why didn't he?
No,
if you are such a beacon of virtue that you claim that you are,
Yes, we
why
are.
didn't you sign on that file?
What?
I'd say, no, 1 second. Are you making that file a subject of political blackmail, that if I sign on the file or don't sign on the file depends on whether you do the tie-up with me? Where is the ethics in
Well-
that, Mr. Jha?
well-
What is worse, Mr. Jha, than making a case of corruption that you cry yourself hoarse over, a subject on the basis of which you negotiate with a possible partner? What kind of politics is
Absolutely.
this?
No,
Why
one
didn't he
minute.
sign? Why didn't he sign on the file?
Well, let me-
Answer Devendra's question.
Let me answer your
Why didn't he answer?
Let me answer your question.
Why didn't he answer the file? You tell me.
Listen,
was a deal
Arnav,
for
you are
that.
hearing counter allegations without any substantive
No, he's
basis.
asked you a question, answer the
I'm answering
question.
his question. In the let me tell you, in the
Why-
allegations on the irrigation
You have no
scam,
answer.
so to say, it's amazing how Mr. Fadnavis is appearing so self-righteous when there's a gentleman called Mr. Sancheti.
I am asking
who's
you
been one of the
whether
biggest
a
beneficiaries
file
of the
is sent by the
largest project in
Anti-Corruption
irrigation.
Bureau after it find all evidence in discreet
Are you
inquiry.
aware of a Mr.
If
Sancheti who's got
whatever has to happen to
multiple-
Mr. Sancheti will happen. Mr. Sancheti will defend
I guess I'm
himself.
glad
You
you're
just tell me.
accepting that.
You just tell me. Why didn't your chief minister sign a file?
Why didn't
where
you sign the file?
evidences,
It was-
all evidences
it was
were
our
put forth
chief
before him.
minister-
All evidences against Mr. Ajit Pawar were put forth before him, and he was to sign. He did not do it.
Chavan who issued
No,
got a white
question.
paper,
What white
forget
paper?
the white paper.
It was a whitewash. No white paper. It was a whitewash.
It was a
Absolute
commission
whitewash.
of inquiry.
In Chitle's
By the way,
committee,
Arnav,
on page number 600, Mr. Chitle
commission
has
of
already
inquiry
said
was
that this has
established by
happened.
Mr.
And
Prithviraj
I
Chavan.
want investigation.
Will you agree?
Why did not
Who
Prithviraj
appointed the
Chavan?
commission of inquiry against his own government? It
See,
was
simple
it was
question is-
whitewash. It was whitewash.
Was
Why
it?
didn't he act on what was said by Mr. Chitle on page number 600 that it needs criminal investigation? On page number 606, he says it needs criminal
well, the
investigation.
truth-
Why the criminal
Well, this is the
investigation
only
was
chief
not
minister
announced by Mr.
in a
Prithviraj
coalition
Chavan? Don't tell me
government
Prithviraj
to get his
Chavan
own
was hand in
government
glove.
investigated.
He was hand in glove.
And that tells you
Mr.
how
Jha-
Mr.
He was
Chavan
hand in
was
glove.
different.
For God's sake, 1 minute, gentlemen. First of all, first of all, I don't. Okay, fine, nice. I just want to say one thing. I don't think. What is this white rubbish? You know,
What
there
about
is
the
no
commission of
1 second.
inquiry?
Let me say something, Sanjay.
And no commission of
Now,
inquiry.
1 second. Let
It
me.
was not commission of inquiry. In fact,
You let me say. You let me say something.
Let it be commission of inquiries. You did not do it.
Sir.
You just appointed a committee. It was not commission of inquiry.
By the way,
because you wanted to save Mr. Ajit Pawar.
Simple question is 1 second, please. That you want to act against corruption, Mr. Prithviraj Chavan. Act against corruption. You don't want to
did.
act against corruption.
And
Don't
that's the
act
reason
against
why the
corruption.
BJP was
Don't
very upset.
pretend you've done a white paper. That you keep a file there in your cupboard and you keep it as lock and key, and then you decide whether you act or not act on it, depending upon whether you will have a relationship. Whether you have a relationship
No,
with
it was in the
Sharad.
public domain. We debated it on your channel. You had BJP representatives.
My question
Mr.
to
Fadnavis wasn't
I
there,
said I had
somebody
two
else was.
questions, and Rahul Narvekar got provoked by the question on the scams. The question to the Shiv Sena is this: you know now that it is your chief minister candidate is Shri Uddhav Thackeray.
Yes.
You have any doubt about it?
No doubt.
No doubt about it. So if the Sena loses to the BJP, you will have to acknowledge.
Everyone will
No,
acknowledge.
you don't
every
even
shit.
let me
It will
ask
be
the
defeat
question.
of every Shiv Sainik.
No. You will have to acknowledge that
Why
Uddhav. Let me ask the question. What's the hurry? You will have to acknowledge that Uddhav Thackeray cannot fill the void left by Balasaheb Thackeray politically, and that he therefore is a weak candidate and he cannot lead the Shiv Sena. No, accept it or not. No, since he's projected him as the chief minister,
Please listen my answer.
I am listening to you.
Please listen my answer. Honorable Uddhav Thackeray has never claimed that I can become Balasaheb Thackeray. Never.
No, it's a question of
Never.
leadership.
He always said that. he
What
was a
if
big
question?
leader
What
personality.
if?
But
What if you lose?
Balasaheb always told us that.
See, Balasaheb Thackeray was always a remote control.
Yes,
No, 1 second. He never projected himself. No, 1 minute.
Got a remote control in his hand.
Yeah, so,
Shiv Sena, he has gotten the remote control of Sena.
yeah, so but he never projected himself as a chief minister. Uddhav Thackeray has
But
done
every
that.
Shiv Sainik
What
is
if
projecting himself
Uddhav
as a
Thackeray loses?
CM candidate.
Uddhav Thackeray loses. What if he loses? Then what happens? Then what happens? Why looking?
Shiv Sena lost several elections, but Shiv Sena chief remains same.
Then you're sounding like the Congress party now.
No, we are not.
Congress
something
party
like that.
loses many elections,
No.
but the Gandhis stay the same.
No, that is not the case because we are not the.
many more
But this is
We-
exactly what you used to criticize the Congress party.
Many more
No, this is exactly what you used to criticize the Congress party for.
Now you say there's a Congress Shiv Sena
No,
alliance.
it is victory for us, for each and everybody, for the Shiv Sena chief to the common cadre. And if it is a victory for it is for everybody.
But you're sounding a bit confused. on
No,
that.
I'm not confused.
Answer the question. Where's the
Each
concept
and
of
every
merit?
Shiv Sainik and Shiv Sena.
You used to come and laugh at Rahul Gandhi, laugh at Sonia Gandhi, saying that they are unable to lead the party to leadership.
No, we are-
Today I'm asking you a question and you're
Thackeray is
struggling
leading
for
the
words.
party. He is leading the party. He is the chief ministerial candidate. He will
And
get
if he
150
loses,
seats.
then what happens? He resigns?
Why? From which post he should resign?
Whatever post, meritocracy,
From
merit
which
demands.
post?
Well, I guess
Please,
Shiv Sena, whatever post he
please
holds
tell
in the
me
Shiv
there,
Sena.
you don't know the
CEO,
history of
chairman,
Shiv Sena.
president,
You
whatever
don't know
Shiv
the history of Shiv Sena.
No, what is it? It's
Baba
dynasty.
never resigned for the defeat of the election.
So
Do you
what-
know?
No, I
Is
don't-
there any case?
No, my point.
He is expert
No,
on
my
Shiv
point. My
Sena.
point is,
That is not
so
required.
your point is today there's a Thackeray dynasty which rules the Shiv Sena and that will remain uninterrupted. There's no other space for anyone apart from the dynasty.
Because they are our leader and we
So
are
have you not destroyed the
and
basic
every Shiv
reason for
Sainik is
which
disciplined under them.
that used to be the basic reason for your criticism of the Congress party? Victory or loss, we remain
we are not taking any
that needs to be considered.
from the last three generations.
Leaderships are not
From the last
decided-
three generations, Shiv Sena, Chief and the
look at the dynasty.
Thackeray family is the only party which has not taken any public post. And if Shiv Sainiks are
No,
trying to
Mr. Shukla,
bring-
there's one point that we need to drive to Mr. Arnab Goswami,
Okay.
and he's going to accuse me of some kind of a tacit understanding with you after I say this.
No, my point
so let
is-
me still say this: the party leaderships are not decided by Arnab Goswami or by general people. It's decided by the.
Why are you coming in defense
It's
of the
decided. It's decided by the office bearers. It's decided by the karyakartas of that party.
Mr. Fadnavis.
Bihari Vajpayee lost
So I
several
don't know
elections.
whether-
Mr.
But he was never removed.
Mr.
For
Fadnavis,
kind information,
this is
Atal
interesting.
Bihari Vajpayee
This is-
used to
no,
fight contest 5 seats.
Arnab, since you brought up
And it
dynasty,
lost all these,
no, 1 minute. Since Mr.
election.
Arnab, you brought up dynasty, and every
I'm
time
closing
every
in a
party
minute.
gets accused, excepting the BJP. Let me tell you that you have here a Pankaja Munde, a Poonam Mahajan. Don't forget that you got Rajnath Singh's son. You in fact have the BJP.
even
In fact, you have the
Devendra Ji is also son of
BJP using Manika Gandhi and Varun Gandhi.
Okay, now-
So I think what further evidence do you need of dynastic politics?
We have never opposed son or daughter of a politician to come in politics.
Oh, really?
We feel
Oh,
that,
really?
that should not be
Do you
the
want
only
me to remind
criteria.
you of Mr.
That
Modi's
should not be
speeches
the only
during Lok Sabha
criteria.
elections
That should not be
against
the
Mr.
only
Rahul Gandhi.
criteria. That should not be the only criteria.
No, one second.
That should not be the only criteria. That's what we want.
Okay, now it's been a wonderful debate. I'd like to say to all our viewers that starting about 5:30, 6 o'clock, day after tomorrow, we have a couple of exit polls we are running back to back. Then we have a poll of polls program. So by Wednesday evening, we'll have some sense of what the numbers are saying. But I know as it's been proven again, numbers change. But do join us in for that. As of now, we'd like to say it appears to be everybody against Modi in Maharashtra. It's a big gamble Modi is taken. Let's see where things go. And Devendra Fadnavis, Rahul Narvekar, very, very provoked today. Sanjay Jha, Prem Shukla and Kumar Ketkar. I thank you all for joining me on this debate on the News Hour tonight. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.